What's going on, guys? Made it to track ready, and they hit me up and told me that it was pretty much done with the 93 octane tune on Arya. So showed up to get some pulls in here and let you guys see what she's doing so far. You can see we're losing daytime here. So we're gonna finish up with the 93 octane today, and then we're gonna end up working on MR12 when they come back probably Monday, and put the video together and let you guys see it here, man. So stay tuned for that, and we'll go from there.
Look how fat the torque curve is. That is like fat, bro, all the way.
Oh yeah,
it's fat,
it's
bro.
Significantly different from last time.
This alone is gonna be stupid.
Yeah, torque is definitely way up from last time, guys. Big time. Being able to let him do a custom tune for the bike, and we're on 93, guys. You see, we're gonna end up doing MR12 here too shortly. It's gonna be amazing, man. I'm thinking about how to make about 210 to 212-ish on MR12. But so far, very impressed with the bike. Arya's doing good, man. Loving it. Another 200 horsepower pull. See the torque curve. That's what's really a significant difference from Power Commander and just the BT Flash. Big difference. Definitely going to be hard to tame her with the stock wheelbase for sure. But we're going to leave the 42 on there for the rest of the time I have home before we go ahead and throw an arm on it and put the 41 tube back on. But man, so far, guys, amazing, man. She's doing good, man. We're pretty much at the almost wrapping up the end of the 93 octane tune before we do MR12, which we're running out of time today, so we won't get to that till probably tomorrow or Monday, depending if he comes into the shop tomorrow. Today's Saturday, so we'll see. But awesome, guys. Pretty consistent 200 horsepower. Consistent, so loving it. I know she's gonna be nasty. Woo! Awesome. And obviously once we get the bike done on the dyno, we'll go on the street and end up doing some street tuning to make sure that the air fuels are still in check compared to what the bike's actually doing. But you know, they're doing their best to try to simulate the ram air, obviously, effect. And we'll continue on. But so far, Arya is doing amazing. Loving it.